guys, I'm Delora and we traditionally have our Oriental class. Today it's a little bit late, but anyway, it's better that we have this opportunity to work and to dance together. We have discovered so many movements already and we still have one, which is very important for Oriental dance, and without this movement, we cannot imagine 99% of Oriental performance. So, we will discover with you, keep it short, simple but important. Okay, let's discover what we do. We stand on the left leg, our right hip is free, our right leg is free, and we take right hip up, and then we will put it down with the power, down, again, up, down. When we take hip up, we use the diagonal muscle on the belly, so up, and with this muscle we push it down, okay, so we do one by one, down, 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 I use here, and down, 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 down. Great, and now we start to add also leg. We do one movement down, and just down, and one movement down, and we open the leg. I go a little bit more far to show you what I do. So, down, and I take it up, down with the leg. Down, and down with the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pay attention that when I open my leg, I turn my knee a little bit to the side of audience, like face to camera by my knee. Why? Because if I take my leg like this, sometimes the knee can be not open totally. And when we do this movement, it will look not nice. So we escape this angle of the knee. We turn it to the face of audience. And with open arms, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super! Now we do the same with the left leg. Let's go. Our body mass is on the right, left hip is free, and we put it down, 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 down. Together with the leg. One leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now pay attention please that when we count this movement, we always have in one hip down, in two, because of the music and because of the rhythm in the music. As usually we do kick drop for the 4 beaten rhythms. It's Saidi Baladi Maxim. And according to this rhythm we have like a 1 hip down, it's heavy movement, it's always doom because this rhythm starts with the doom. And in 2 we open the leg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for being with me and learning this tutorial. We had lesson number 9 and it was pre-last tutorial. Next week will be number 10 and it will be the end of these classes because we will start course dramatic belly dance. It will have 3 lessons with 1.5 and 2 hours, from simple steps to more complicated steps, from basic technique, more complicated technique, and full choreography. It will be more interesting, more detailed information, and very interesting secrets. So, we meet with you next Saturday and then we continue to work with dramatic belly dance course. Thank you one more time. I wish you good luck. I wish you good learning.